Hello, I am Dr. S. Mishra. I am a dental surgeon and I welcome you all to our channel Now Ask the Doctor. Please subscribe to our channel for health related information and videos, and our videos will indeed make you a little more aware of the current health issues. Today in this video, I will share important information on Omicron variant of the coronavirus. Today's date is 17th December 2021 and 77 countries have now reported cases of Omicron. Maybe it is present in many more countries already but not yet detected. This new variant of the coronavirus has been named after the 15th letter of the Greek alphabet, Omicron. There are various ways of pronouncing it. So, on November, a new variant of coronavirus was reported to the World Health Organization. This variant was first detected in the specimens collected in Botswana in South Africa. World Health Organization named this variant as Omicron and classified it as a variant of concern. Today's date is 17 December 2021 and till now 101 Omicron cases detected in India. So it is spreading like a wildfire. So the first question which comes to our mind is how easily this Omicron variant is transmissible, or how easily it spreads from a person to person. So, it spreads more easily than the other variants of the coronavirus, or it is highly transmissible. According to the Center for Disease Control, anyone with Omicron infection can spread the virus to others even if they are vaccinated or don't have symptoms. Now, this Omicron strain has more mutations than any other variant seen in the past. Now, what symptoms will you experience if you are infected with this Omicron variant of the coronavirus? Now, this infection is not limited to any age group. Even young patients, also children, are showing the symptoms of Omicron variant. Patients infected with this Omicron strain show extreme tiredness. So, if you are infected, you will feel extremely tired. Patients of Omicron variant are complaining of scratchy throat, then dry cough, fever, night sweats, body pain or body ache. Now, as opposed to symptoms from the previous variants, the Omicron variant is believed to show less sign of loss of smell or loss of taste. Now, evidence suggests that this new Omicron variant only triggers mild symptoms, but we must remember that we have very limited data till now, and we should not underestimate the power of this virus. See, one thing is crystal clear. It spreads very easily and it is highly transmissible. But more data are needed to know if Omicron infections, especially reinfections and breakthrough ones in people who are fully vaccinated, cause more severe illness or death than infection with other variants. So, till now, the most important and the most common symptom associated with the Omicron infection is that extremely painful, scratchy throat. It is not a normal sore throat. And dry cough, an extreme level of tiredness. Now, this new Omicron strain has over 30 mutations in the spike protein, which is unlike any other previous strain. So, experts believe that it can escape the vaccine immunity to some extent. And exactly that is why it is spreading like wildfire. So, my request as a doctor to all of you is please don't underestimate the power of this virus and wear a proper mask in a proper way even if you are fully vaccinated. Remember, vaccines alone will not be sufficient to save us from this Omicron variant. A proper mask is very important, and we must also sanitize our hands regularly. And if possible, we should also maintain social distancing. Vaccines are very important, but vaccines alone will not be sufficient to save us. That's all for today. If you find our video helpful and informative, then please subscribe to our channel for more health related videos and information. Please share our video and hit the like button if you find our video helpful. Thank you. Stay healthy and stay safe. And please wear proper mask in a proper way.